Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Let's start the day with the date and day. Who is going to tell me what is the date today? Very good. Today is 10th of April 2026. And what is the day today? What is the day today? Very good. Today is फ्राइडे। क्या तारीख है आज? बिल्कुल सही जवाब। आज है 10 अप्रैल 2026। और क्या दिन है आज? आज है जुम्मा। और जुम्मे को अरबी में क्या कहते हैं? जुम्मे को अरबी में यौमुल जुमा कहते हैं। और इस्लामिक तारीख क्या है आज? आज है 21 शवाल 1447 हिजरी। Okay kids, as you can see we have objects that you know. Can you name them? Can you name them? What are these objects? Okay, these are markers and pencils. And you know that. But today what we are going to do? We are going to sort them. We are going to sort them. We are going to separate them. और अब हम क्या करेंगे? हम मार्कर्स और पेंसिल्स को अलहदा कर लेंगे। जो सेम ऑब्जेक्ट होंगे उनको हम अलहदा अलहदा कर लेंगे। द ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर सेम वी विल सेपरेट देम। ओके, नाउ हाउ मेनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स कैन यू सी? दीज आर मार्कर्स एंड दीज आर पेंसिल्स. So these are two objects. So what we are going to do, we are going to separate markers and we are going to separate pencils. Okay, we will start from this side. What is this? This one is marker and we will keep it over here. And what is this? It's a pencil and we will keep it over here. Now you have to sort these objects with me. What is this? And from where we will keep it? Yeah, we will keep it on pencil side. And what is this? It's a marker and we will keep it with markers. And these are also pencils. And where do we keep them? We will keep them with pencil side. Okay, what is this? It's also a pencil and we will keep it with pencil side. What is this? It's also a pencil and I am keeping it with the pencil side. What is this? Very good. It's also a pencil and we will keep it with pencil side. What is this? It's also a pencil and we will keep it with pencil side. Now we have this object. What is this? It's a marker and we will keep it with marker side. And what is this? It's also a marker and we will keep it with marker side. So can you see? These all are pencils and these all are markers. Now what we have done? We have separate pencils and we have separate all the markers. So this is called sorting. This is called sorting. Sorting means to separate the objects. We have two types of objects. We have pencils and we have markers and we have separate them. So this is called sorting. Can you separate the spoons and plates at your home? Yeah, you can separate them. You can separate your toys. So it's all sorting. Okay kids, now you can see other objects on your screen. What are these objects? Yeah, we have two boxes. And how do we separate them? These are two boxes. These are same object. These are boxes. Now how we are going to separate them? Yes, we will separate them with the size. Okay kids, now we have some other objects. What are these objects? Can you name them? Yeah, we have boxes and these are all same. These are boxes. So how we are going to sort them and how we are going to separate them? Who is going to tell me? We will separate them with the size. So it will be sorting with size. So we will separate them with size and we will find out. As you can see, we have different boxes of different sizes. Some are big, some are lengthy, some are small. So how we are going to separate them? We are going to separate them with the smallest. Which one is the smallest box? Can you find out? Which one is the smallest box on the screen? Yeah, we have this box which is smallest among all the boxes and we will separate it. Okay, now we have these three boxes. I am keeping it over here and now we have these three boxes. Now in these three boxes, which one is smallest or thinnest? Is it smallest? No. Is it smallest? Is it smallest? So this one is the smallest in these three. I am keeping it over here. And now, which one is the smallest? This one is smallest. So we are keeping it over here. And last one, this is the biggest box in size. I am keeping it over here. So these are object smallest, small, and then we have the biggest one. So now what we have done, we have sort object with the size. We have find out different sizes and then we have separate them. So you can also separate objects with the sizes. You can keep the smallest objects on one side and you can keep longest or biggest object on the other side. So this is sorting by sizes. Okay kids, now we have some objects that you love the most. These are your favorite objects. Now we are going to separate them with the colors. And as you can see, there are so many colors and we will separate all the colors. So this will be sorting by colors. So we are going to find out how many colors and we are going to separate them. First of all, we have which color we are going to separate. Which one is your favorite color? So we are going to start with the color red. So it's red and I am keeping it aside. Now we are going to find out other red color blocks. Where is red color? Okay, this one is red. So I am keeping it with the red color. And how many other color? Where is other red color? So it's also a red block. So I am keeping it over here. Now who is going to tell me which color we are going to separate? So as you can see, all the red colors are set aside. We have kept them over here and now there is no red color in these blocks. Now who is going to tell me which color we are going to pick next? Okay, we are going to pick yellow. So where are yellow blocks? Can you see them? Can you find out yellow blocks? Yeah, it's a yellow block and we are keeping it over here. Now, can you find out other yellow color? Yeah, it's another yellow color and I am keeping it over here. And can you find out other yellow color, or we have sort all the yellow? Yeah, there is another yellow color and I am keeping it over here. Now, I think we have found all the yellow colors, or there is any yellow color in them. Can you find out? Yeah, there is one yellow color left and I am keeping it over here. So now we have separated red colors and now we have separated all the yellow blocks. Now, which color we are going to sort next? Okay, we are going to sort white this time. Now we are going to find out all the white blocks in them. So we have first white block and I am keeping it over here. Now we have to find out other yellow color, white colors. How many white blocks can you see? So we have another white block in it and I am keeping it over here. And can you find out more white colors? Yeah, we have one more white color and I am keeping it over here. And there is any white color left? Yeah, this one is left and I am keeping it with the white ones. Now only two colors are left, as you can see. And which color we are going to sort? Very good, we are going to pick orange one. So I am taking one orange block and I am keeping it over here. Now we have to find out more orange. Can you see other colors? Yeah, we have one more orange block and I am keeping it over here. And is there any orange color left? Yeah, we have one more orange color and I am keeping it over here. So now only sky blue color blocks are left and we will separate them and we will keep them in this line. So we have kept all the colors in line. As you can see, we have red blocks, we have yellow blocks, we have white blocks, we have orange, we have sky blue blocks. So these all are bicolors and we have separated all the blocks with the colors. So you can separate object with the colors. You have to find out one color, then you have to keep them in one line, or you can separate them, then you will take another color, you will keep them in this line. Then we have find white color and we have kept this in this line, then we kept orange, then we have sky blue color. So this is sorting by colors. And you can also separate blocks that you have at your home. You can do practice on your own blocks. You can separate them with the color, you can separate them with the sizes, or you can separate all your toys with the size. So now who is going to tell me, can you separate all the objects with the color? Yeah, now you can separate all the objects with the colors. It's very easy to sort all the objects with same color.